If your cat is sneezing, it may be a sign of a mild irritation, allergies, or a small infection. While sneezing is common and often not serious, it's important to watch closely and take simple steps to help your cat feel better at home. First, make sure your cat's environment is clean. Dust, strong smells, and cigarette smoke can irritate a cat's nose and make sneezing worse. Keep your home well ventilated and use unscented cleaners. Vacuum regularly to remove dust and allergens from floors and furniture. If your cat's nose is stuffed or runny, you can gently clean it with a soft, damp cloth. Use warm water and lightly wipe around the nose to remove mucus. This helps your cat breathe more easily and stay comfortable. Be gentle, as their noses can be sensitive when irritated. Steam therapy is another simple remedy. First, place the kittens in a cat carrier lined with a towel. Then cover the carrier completely with another towel. Pour hot water into a bowl and place it at the front of the carrier. Now fold the towel over the bowl, and let the kittens bask in the warm steam for 15 minutes. It will feel like a steamy bathroom. Always supervise your kitten to make sure they stay safe and comfortable. Boosting your cat's immune system is also important. Make sure they are eating a healthy, balanced diet. High-quality cat food with proper nutrients helps them fight off infections naturally. Hydration is very important. Always make sure your cat has fresh, clean water available. If your cat is not drinking much, try offering water in different bowls or even using a pet water fountain. Some cats prefer moving water and will drink more from a fountain. Using a humidifier in the room where your cat sleeps can help too. Moist air keeps their nasal passages from drying out and becoming more irritated. For mild sneezing caused by allergies or minor infections, certain cat supplements can help strengthen the immune system and support respiratory health. Supplements containing ingredients like lysine, vitamin C, and herbal extracts can reduce sneezing by helping the body fight off viruses and irritants. Keep your cat indoors while they are sneezing. Being outside exposes them to more irritants like pollen, dust, or infections from other animals. Rest in a calm environment will help your cat recover more quickly. If your cat's sneezing lasts more than a few days, or if they have other symptoms like eye discharge, loss of appetite, coughing, or fever, it's time to call a vet. Sometimes sneezing can be a sign of a more serious infection that needs medical treatment. By acting early and using these simple home remedies, you can help your cat recover faster from sneezing and keep them happy and healthy.